Welcome back. Goa government feels that Goa does not need to give any permission for investigation into Karnataka's illegal mining. CBI has asked for Goa government's consent to investigate illegal export of iron ore from Panji and Murmugaon jetties. Goa government has no objection to the investigation.
CBI has started investigation into illegal export of iron from 9 jetties, which includes jetties in Goa. CBI has asked for consent from Goa government. Ore was allegedly exported illegally through Panji and Murmugaon ports. Advocate General Atmaram Narkarni said, there is no need of Goa government's consent. Crime happened in Karnataka, and if it has any connection with Goa, then CBI can investigate in Goa. CBI has full freedom to investigate in Goa without any consent of Goa government. From last 5 months, CBI has been communicating with Goa government asking for the consent. In the communication, CBI has also mentioned that it is not able to register and investigate cases related to illegal export of iron ore from Panji and Murmugaon ports as the notification is not issued. Meanwhile, CBI has apprehended a Provident Fund officer for seeking bribe. CBI raided the office in Vasco and caught the officer red-handed. Reporter Mahesh Gadi and Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Government's motorable subway project at Bamboli has become an accident-prone zone. Commuters face trouble on National Highway 17 as there is no traffic police to manage the traffic. Project was due for completion by 10th June. However, only 45% work is complete. People complain there is no zebra crossing, no barricades, no safety, nor any shelter. The incomplete project has become a hazard. Report by Dinesh Karpe.
The most used and busy stretch for commuters, the National Highway 17 passing between the GMC and Goa Dental College, has become an accident-prone zone. Have a look at this disorder. There is no proper demarcation of route, no zebra crossing, no shelter, no barricades.
Because of no zebra crossing, we students face a lot of problem. We cannot cross, and there are no cops also to regulate the traffic. So while we cross, we face lots of problems, and plus there is no shade also here.
Goa Medical College is a major hospital catering healthcare and emergency medical services, not just for Goans but for neighbouring areas too. Hundreds of patients visit this institute cum hospital, but the patients face this hazard the moment they get down off the bus. There is no traffic police to manage the traffic. People have to wait in scorching heat and rain to cross the road.
Confusion is there because of the traffic, and there is no shelter for the people, those who are waiting for the bus to the Vasco or to the Margao side, and the patients, those who cross the road. It is dangerous. Many times in the past, accidents took place here, and now also the repetition of the same thing. Nobody is taking any interest in solving the problems of the patients, nurses, and medical students especially. Large group of people are. Even I would have met with an accident just now because I was trying to cross the road.
Government had initiated this motorable subway project. It was supposed to be complete by June 10th, but only 45% work is through till date. The work is on at a snail pace and people are facing the brunt, not knowing whom to question. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
2 persons died in 2 separate accidents on Tuesday. A minor schoolgirl died after she came under the wheels of a bus in Margao. She died on the spot. In another accident, steering of a KTC bus got locked and the bus overturned at Nagargaon in Valpoi. 19 passengers were injured and a lady died in the accident.
A minor schoolgirl, Taslim Mullah, aged 13 years, died after she came under the wheels of a bus in Margao. She died on the spot. The bus driver is arrested and police probe is on.
ते मोटरसायकलीन वता आसतना एक एक्सिडेंट जालो MRF शोरूम विद्यानगर सकाळचे 7:45 सुमार आनी ती चली एक मिनी बस वताली ते मिनी बसाच्या टायरा कोणाक चाका बंद आयली आनी ऑन द स्पॉट ते
सर पंचनाम करून केस तुम्ही फायल केलं की
पंचनाम करून आमी बसी ड्रायव्हराक ताब्यात घेतला आनी फुडली कारवाई चालू आसा.
In another accident in Satiri, KTC bus overturned at Nagargaon in Valpai. The bus overturned when bus driver lost control as the steering got locked. One lady died on the spot and 19 passengers got injured in the accident. The bus was travelling from Dhave Valpai. 6 passengers were shifted to the GMC. Savio Dice and Avinash Joshi for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.